everyone, it's me Dana from Thrifty Wisdom, and today I'm gonna show you how I make a homemade scented diffuser for one of your rooms. I usually use this in the bathroom. So this was the old one, and it was very old. Now I'm trying to do another one using some essential oils. I like this Lily of the Valley, so I'm gonna use this, or you can use any type of other fragrance you like. You can use mint, you can use pine tree, you can use whatever. And I'm trying also to use, so this perfume, it's a very cheap perfume, it's from $1, and the diffuser, the sprayer broke and it didn't work, so I'm probably trying to use this as a diffuser also. So all we need is, like, I clean this bottle, I put like 3/4 water, and I have those bamboo sticks. We usually use those for making barbecue, but in this instance we'll just use them because when we put them in the bottle, the wood will absorb the oil. I'm gonna cut them here. We have them here, and all we have to do is take this one. Has a little pump, see, like this. I'm gonna put this in the oil. Okay, I'm gonna put one more right here, and then we're gonna shake, and then I'm gonna put back. Okay, they're almost there. And after we soak those in that water, you can turn them like this, and I can assure you, you can already smell. Or, as I said, you can use this little perfume. Like this. Maybe 5. I'm gonna use 5. So basically, you can use any bottle you have, and you can buy from a store, even if it is $1 store. See, I soaked this in the perfume. You can choose whatever fragrance you like, and then you soak them in the bottle, leave them like this, and I can assure you they will diffuse all that fragrance, nice fragrance, in the air, and it will last for a few weeks, and then you can add more of this oil, and I think it's a cheaper way to bring some nice scent into your house, don't you think? So if you like it what you're seeing and you want to share with your friends, please subscribe and give me a like.